Welcome to the Wi-Fi pairing tutorial for Rointe products using the Rointe Nexa app. If your device is in pairing mode but does not appear on the scan screen, select the option I can't find my product. Select your product from the available list. Connect your smartphone to the desired Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Please ensure you only select 2.4 GHz networks, as these products are not compatible with 5 GHz networks. You now need to connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi network generated by your product. To do this, go to your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings and let's see how to identify the correct network depending on your product's control panel. On Series D, Belize, Olympia and Cosmos products, the identifier and password are shown on the display. Select the network and enter the password. On oval towel rails, the network is identified using a combination of LED lights. A lit LED represents 1 and an unlit LED represents 0. Select the network and the connection will be automatic. On the CT2 thermostat, 3 characters will be displayed on screen. These must match the last 3 digits of the Wi-Fi network name. Select the network and the connection will be automatic. Once connected to the product's network, return to the Nexa app and tap "Ready, I'm connected." On the next screen, wait approximately 30 seconds to confirm that the configuration has completed successfully. Then select Finish. The device will now need to update to the latest version. You will see the download percentage on each device's display. Accept this message and wait until the process is complete. Assign the device to an existing zone or create a new one to link it. During the process, the new device will appear in the app with a red indicator, showing that it is in migration. When you tap it, a message will appear confirming that the device is completing the process. Once the update is complete, the product will restart. This notification will confirm that the process has finished and your device is ready to use. All done. You can now control your Rointe product directly from the Rointe Nexa app. If at any point a step doesn't match the video or is not completed correctly, please contact customer support and let us know the exact minute where you had difficulty so we can assist you more effectively.